All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. We're just going to be going over our watch list. As always, if you want the watch list access early, make sure to join the Discord. The link is in our bio. So we're just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to switch over to Eddie.
So the first one we're going to go through right here is ACTG. We got a nice setup here where 550 support is holding. We have an entry on this one. Earnings is coming out on Monday after hours, so tomorrow. So we're looking for a move up intraday so that we can sell for a profit. Next on our list is going to be APA. APA is coming down, broke out of this pennant right here at about 28.78, moved up, came down, tested it, and is bouncing back up. So we're looking for a move back up to its $31 high. Then we have APPS. APPS is coming, broke out of this downtrend, moved up to $93, then came down and is retesting its support level between 65 and 67.5. Then we have ASAN, and they are breaking out fresh new highs here above 139.98 resistance. So we're looking for this one for a test of natural resistance at about 150. Then we have BTBT. BTBT has a nice setup where we're looking to break above its 200-day moving average, and we're bouncing off its, we broke above its 50-day moving average. And so what we're looking for here is a move above its 200-day moving average where we go and retest $14.32. CMRE, we're looking at this dip down to support at $12.63. We're pretty close there, just a little bit more to go. We'll watch for a hold above support, and if it does hold, we can take an entry there. Then we have COMP. We have a really nice setup here where we're coming down and we are creating a higher low. We have a potential, we have an inverted or a long-legged doji or a hammer finish right here where we retested the support level and volume is coming back in. So we are looking for a bounce on this one. This one's a pretty high on our list for a possible bounce for tomorrow. Then we have CRSR. CRSR is in this inverse head and shoulder here, and we are looking for a breakout above 26.73 for a move to a high of about 29 or 200-day moving average. Then we have DOCS, DOCS. We broke this downtrend channel here. We broke above it on volume. We had earnings that came out pretty good as well. So what we're looking for is either a test of this downtrend channel support or its or the bottom of its trading range at about $63 or a breakout above its trading range of about $76.87. Then we have ETN. ETN broke above 171 resistance, came down and is testing that as support now. So we are looking for an entry here for a move back up to its highs about 175. And then we're looking for a break above 175 to continue its rally. FCX. FCX broke above its trading range between $36 and $39.67. We are looking for a retest of its all-time highs at about $45.85. Then we have GS. We have a position on this one where we got a fake breakout above 120. It's coming down, tested its 50-day moving average and its gap support level as well. And we're looking for a move back up to 420. So we are looking for an average down position on this one. Then we have GT. GT broke above its cup and handle pattern on the weekly chart. It's very more visible than on the daily chart. So we broke above here, and we are looking at this gap support range, which is between $22.43 and $22.76. HGV, this one is light on options. So we already played the breakout at about 48, and we sold before earnings, and now we're looking to re-enter with shares with somewhere between 48 and 50 would be what we're looking for as a re-entry. Then we have Autonation, AN. AN, what we're looking for is a break above 133.48 for it to keep going to its next natural support. We are at all-time highs on this one. Next natural support will be 140 followed by 150. Then we have LKQ. LKQ has a really nice setup where we're looking for this breakout above 58.55. And we are looking at all-time highs on this one. So the next natural resistance for this one will be $60 followed by $75. Then we have MAT, M-A-T. MAT, we are looking for, we are breaking out above 2270 support range, and we are looking for a move up to its next natural resistance at about $25. It had an earnings report, and it had a very favorable earnings report where it was a beat. Then we have McDonald's, MCD. We have a short-term position on this one where we're coming down to test its 250 support level right here, and we are looking for a move up to 255 to 257 to retest its highs. Then we have MJ. We have a long-term position on this one as well. We have one dated out to January 2023. We broke above this downtrend channel. We also broke above its 50-day moving average, and we're breaking above its base range resistance of $14.94. Next resistance level is going to be $17, followed by $18, and then its 200-day moving average. Then we have MLCO. MLCO had earnings report come out already. We were waiting for that. It's got a really nice setup here on the weekly chart where we have a bullish crab pattern, and we are in the PRZ. PRZ is holding and has been holding for quite some time, and we are breaking above its 50-day moving average. So what we're looking for is a move up above its resistance point here at 1188. Then we have mRNA, Moderna. mRNA has came down and is testing the support range, support level at 224.59, so about 225. And what we're looking for is a bounce from here up to its 200-day moving average. Above its 200-day moving average, then we're looking for it to fill gaps at 277 and also 338. MRVI, we are looking at this 100% retracement level 3606, where we came down, tested it, and we all earnings came out, and we are holding above it. And so we are looking for this to move up to its 10-day simple moving average or its 200-day simple moving average between $39 and $41. Then we also have NEO. NEO is in a inverse head and shoulder on the daily chart, and we are looking at this breakout here. We're holding above also its 200-day moving, and the next resistance is this downtrend at about $45. If it's able to break above $45, then we can retest, look for a move up to $50 to $55. Then we have NTNX. We already have a position on this one, several layers of support on this one. We have an uptrend channel here. We also have the 200-day moving average in the purple line here, and we also have price support at $33.92. Next, we have Plug, PLUG, and we are looking at this breakout here above $42.95, and we're looking for a move to its next resistance point at $48.35. It is a short-term play, so we are looking for a short-term position on this one. PPG, we are looking at PPG. We broke out of this down trend line right here, broke out on a volume cluster here, which is a really good sign. You want to see that either a volume spike or volume cluster at breakouts. And we are in this trading range, and we are looking at this bullish flag that is forming here for a move back up to 165. Then we have RF. RF is low in options. As far as options, is very low volume, but we are looking at this breakout where we broke above 2383. We are holding above it. So if we keep holding this level, then we're looking for an entry and a move back up to 24.73 to $25. Next, we have Roku. Roku, we're looking at a double bottom play here at 272.41. We held on Friday, and we are starting to move back up. So what we're looking for is a move next week back up to towards $300. Then we have SI. SI has a really nice setup here where we're flagging. We broke out of the support range, resistance range between 178.96 and 187.86. Came down, tested it, bounced right back up. So we're looking for a move back up above towards 230. And if we're able to break above 230, the next natural resistance will be 250. So a lot of upside on this one. We're looking again at skills, SKLZ. We're looking at an inverse head and shoulder, and we're waiting for this breakout above $12.94 or about $13. Then we have TDOC. TDOC has also a really nice setup where we broke above this downtrend on volume. Look at this volume spike here on the breakout, and we are coming down to test this downtrend, which is now support. So what we're looking for is a move back up towards 155. Then we have TNDM, and we are playing this on the monthly chart where we're tracking this cup and handle breakout, and we are looking for an entry here. Option volume is low on this one, so we'll be looking for share play on this one. Then we have Zoom, ZM. ZM is we are looking at this double bottom right here. Earnings is coming up on November 22nd. So this will be a short-term play. And so we're looking for a short-term move up to 266 to 272. And last but not least, we have Bitcoin. We are tracking this breakout where we had this breakout above its range of 64,000 and 67,000, and then came down and dipped below that resistance range and is forming this cup and handle. So we're looking for a break above 69,000 for a breakout of the cup and handle. If it breaks above 69,000, then our next natural resistance point will be 75,000. And that's it for our list for this week.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And just remember, you all, so we are going to be having some pretty big events coming up this week, if I'm not mistaken. Let me quickly just pull up the economic calendar as well. Bear with me just a moment. Okay, so for this week, some things to keep an eye out for. We do have retail sales coming up on Tuesday. I will also be watching initial jobless claims on Thursday. So those are the big economic events coming up. So as always, a lot of the plays that we share with you all here, many of us do have positions in them. And so if you want to get early access and see what we are buying in real time, then make sure to check out our Discord. If you do join, you do get a 1-week free trial. You can come hang out, get access to everything. You get access to lesson plans. And if you don't like it or something just not working out, you can leave without any sort of commitment or without even having to pay for that first week. All right. So definitely come check it out. Come hang out with us. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. So thank you very much, everybody, and take care.
Take care, everyone.